Have you ever found yourself endlessly clicking through GitHub repositories, searching for the perfect code snippet, only to feel stuck in a loop? Introducing Grep App, a game-changing search application that simplifies code discovery. Let's dive in. Imagine you're building a LangChain RAG application and need some starter code. Typically, you'd search on Google, sift through GitHub links, open each one, and repeat the cycle until you find something useful. With Grep App, simply type LangChain in the search bar. Grep App matches your keyword across the entire GitHub codebase and displays relevant snippets instantly. Next, let's refine this search. Filters are where Grep App truly shines. Suppose you want to narrow your results to Python files only. Just select Python from the language filter, and voila! You're now seeing Python-specific code snippets. Looking for example files? No problem. Choose the examples filter, and Grep App shows you files from paths like examples/ or docs/. In seconds, you'll have hundreds of relevant results ready to explore. And speaking of exploring, what if you want to focus on a specific repository? Let's check that out next. Grep App offers repository suggestions like LangChain, LangChain.js, and even Microsoft repositories. Need even more control? Use the path filter to pinpoint files in specific directories such as src/ or lib/. It's like having a magnifying glass for your search. Now let's talk about another powerful feature, case sensitivity. Enable the case-sensitive matching option, and Grep App will only retrieve results with the exact capitalization. Need flexibility? Turn on the match whole words option, and Grep App will retrieve all variations of your keyword, regardless of case. And for developers who love precision, Grep App has reject search. Let's say you're working on a fast API application and want to find versioning syntax. Use a regex pattern, and Grep App will pull up all matching code snippets. It's precise, efficient, and incredibly powerful. From narrowing down files to exploring repositories and leveraging advanced search features, Grep App makes finding the right code snippet easier than ever. No more endless scrolling or switching tabs, just focused, efficient coding. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.